Chinese braised chicken with mushroom and black fungus. Today we are going to create a tantalizing one-pot braised chicken with mushroom and black fungus. This dish is a symphony of umami-rich ingredients where tender chicken, earthy mushrooms, and chewy black fungus come together in a flavorful embrace. This recipe has been passed down through generations in Malaysian Chinese families from my mom's area, adapting over time while maintaining its delicious essence. Let's get cooking. First step, let's get started to prepare the ingredients. First, slice your 300-gram chicken tenderloin into bite-sized pieces and season with 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Light soy sauce penetrates the chicken pieces, infusing with a savory umami flavor. This helps to season the meat from the inside out, ensuring that each bite is flavorful. At the same time, also prepare 3 cloves garlic, peel and slice, and 16 slices of ginger. Then, let's rehydrate our dry shiitake mushroom and black fungus. Soak them in warm water for about 30 minutes or until they're soft. Then, drain and slice them. Now, let's head over to cooking stove. It's time to start cooking. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Olive oil adds a good nutritional profile to the dish, contributing essential fatty acids and vitamins. In most of the Malaysian Chinese cooking, we normally also do use sesame oil, peanut oil, or vegetable oil. Now add our 6 thinly sliced ginger. If you want a little bit subtle of the ginger smell, you can use a young ginger rather than old ginger. So saute the ginger until fragrance at one side of the pot. If you are new here, why not click on subscribe button to my channel for more delicious recipes. Click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post the new recipes. New recipe each week on Saturday. At the other side of the pot, add on our slices garlic, which is around 3 cloves of garlic, and saute it at the same time until fragrance. While cooking, why not head over to our website hankery.com to sign up our newsletter. As a special thank you for joining our first 10,000 community, you will receive this exclusive access for free downloadable ebooks. Don't miss out the fun. Sign up today. Back to our cooking. Sauteing garlic and ginger first is a fundamental step in many Asian recipes, including this Malaysian Chinese braised chicken with mushroom and black fungus, for several important reasons. Lightly browning the garlic and ginger brings out their natural sweetness and umami, adding complexity and a subtle sweetness to the dish. Once you see that ginger and garlic start to brown, it's time for us to add the chicken tenderloin pieces that we have seasoning before and stir fry until they're no longer pink on the outside. Cover the pan and let it shimmer for a couple of minutes. During the cooking process, you might notice more water coming off from fresh chicken compared to frozen chicken, but both will release some moisture during the cooking. Here's why. All meat, fresh or frozen, contains water within its cells. As you cook, the heat causes the muscle fibers to break down, releasing the water they hold. Interestingly, frozen chicken might seem drier initially because the freezing process can cause some ice crystals to form within the shells. When you cook frozen chicken, these ice crystals melt, contributing to the released water. However, it's important to thaw frozen chicken properly to avoid uneven cooking and potential bacterial growth. Whereas for us, today's recipe is braised chicken, so you don't need to remove all this excess water can be avoided by this cooking method. If you're looking to minimize water release and achieve crispy chicken, otherwise, try patting fresh chicken dry before cooking or deep fried. Some cuts of chicken naturally contain more water than others, such as chicken breasts tend to be a leaner and releases less water compared to dark meat cuts like thighs or chicken tenderloin. Oh well, enough talking about the chicken. Now the next step is to add the sliced shiitake mushrooms and stir fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until the mushrooms start to soften. And you can notice that I always love to close the pot lid to capture all the heat during the cooking process. Now open the lid. Let's braise the dish. Add 1 tablespoon of Panda brand oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Malaysian dark soya sauce, one full cup of water or any chicken broth. You can click on the link in description below to check out my chicken rice broth. Next, add on our 1 cup of soaked black fungus. Make sure that you only include the black fungus at the end of the cooking. Hence, if you like a little bit crunchier, yes, put through at the end. If you want a little bit softer, you can cook a little bit longer for the braised chicken. Stir everything to combine and coat the chicken, mushroom, bread, fungus evenly. Close the lid. Bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it shimmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the chicken is tender and the flavors are well combined. For the finishing seasoning and touches, taste and adjust the seasoning with few drops of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of ABC sweet soy sauce. If you don't have ABC sweet sauce handy, you can replace or substitute it with 1 teaspoon of brown sugar or white sugar. A small amount of sugar can help balance out the savory and salty flavors that are common in braising liquids. After 1 to 2 minutes, open the pot lid. Season with some pinch of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of Japanese mirin, 3 tablespoons of Chinese Sauteing wine. Sauteing wine is our all-time favorite for Chinese cuisine, especially it can add savory depth, aroma and tenderizing chicken in braised for a more complex and flavorful dish. Cover the pan and bring the mixture to a final boil. Once boiling, turn off the heat, and here you go. There you have it, braised chicken with mushroom and black fungus, a delicious and aromatic Malaysian Chinese dish. Look at this chicken tenderloin braised to perfection. Each bite is a luxurious melt-in-your-mouth experience. The braising sauce deserves its own spotlight, and is best to match with plain white rice or basmati rice. It's a savory and braised with a complex depth built on layers of soy sauce, Sauteing wine, and aromatics like ginger and garlic. A hint of sweetness, perhaps from the sugar or ABC sweet sauce, balances the savory notes, creating a truly addictive flavor profile. Garnish with fresh chopped green onions. Serve it over steamed rice or alongside with your favorite vegetables. And there you have it, the complete dinner or lunch meal in just few minutes. The shiitake earthy mushroom, delicate, offers bursts of juicy sweetness. The black fungus, also known as fungus, has a delightful chewiness and a touch of nutty earthiness together with chicken. Each bite combines the melt-in-your-mouth chicken with the juicy mushroom and the chewy fungus, creating a delightful textural contrast that keeps you coming back for more. Here's recap my recipe, or you can go over hankery.com for print out recipe or free ebooks. Make sure you check out the next video to do how to make the best pork choy stir fry to match this braised chicken dish. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more delicious recipes. Make sure you check hankery.com for more delicious recipe for busy bees.